When I was a little girl and my dad would come home from work, we would be so excited. We'd race to the door because that meant that we got to play Hi-Yi Boongai. Just a silly little made up game. My dad would hide in one of the bedrooms and we'd race down the hallway and he'd jump out and wrestle us. Just those 10 minutes of undivided attention, I felt special. And all these years later, I have great nostalgia for. So try to come up with something that Dr. John Gottman calls a ritual of connection. It's a way that you create a family sanctuary, some tradition, something special. Sometimes it could be a daily routine, like that you have a note that you put in your kid's lunchbox, or maybe it's for special occasions like the golden fork if someone does well in a test or wins a game. Or maybe it's a nightly routine where you spray just a spritz of lavender before you read bedtime stories. Sometimes objects like these and the smells and songs help really to mark it and make it feel special. It's a great way to honor our family traditions as well, and cultural traditions like red envelope, or, as a family, we're Polish, we always sing Sto Lat as the birthday song. And all these ways say, I've been thinking about you while I've been gone at work, or if you're travel for business, maybe you bring a little souvenir home, and that's something that your kids can always count on. So show your kids how important they are by creating some family traditions, and you'll have lasting memories and a happy family.